They said that the Nigerian army don't enter for inside where Biafra Liberation Army they do. As we dey talk right now, they say they go through one Ogbunigwe, give that area. Now this Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. They come talk say that the Ogbunigwe where they throw give them. Say the thing now inside bush. Now you go they explode. Also no before inside where they say they be untouchable. No be small thing, my people. Now we say hey. No be small thing, no, but however, we'll go find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today not the first time when they come across this channel, you are welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back. I see they hot. They say that the Nigerian army don't go again or go through the Ogbunigwe near Biafra Liberation Army camp. See that Ogbunigwe where they throw, he never ever reach their own side though. He said that they are wasting their money and their resources for inside bush. He said make them use leg come meet them for where they according to this video when just drop now. My people, I will allow you to watch the video before we go come back. Go continue.
To Kano, I've come. Yeah, spray bomb, and zone out. We are see here. Okay, that is what they came to do. He just came that time you heard his voice or the sound. He turned the second round, spray bomb. I'm here to tell him that we are see here. Nothing happened. They will know the difference between the owner of the land and the Mbira. Them Mbira, they will understand the true son of the king and the adopted son of the king. They will soon understand that word. The difference between the true son of the king and the adopted son of the king. They will soon understand. So share this message to reach them that after they came with their Tucano jet fighter and spray bomb, the reason I call it the spray bomb is that they release the bunch of bomb. It's not just throwing bomb, because when they throw things, you fit throw one or two, then just release bunch of bomb and zoom up, thinking that this one don't finish them. We are here. Now me see come up now to tell you, say, you are wasting your resources and your time. Wait like 5 minutes time without zooming up. That same bomb you throw for see come kill you. That same bomb for see come kill you. If you know, you know. If you don't know, we are sorry. We cannot. There's no better way to make you know more than the way we are telling you now. Okay? No better way than this. And that is why there is no amount of threaten. You threaten us. No amount of threat you threaten us that will make us stop this quest of Biafra. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you are we are sorry for you. There's no way we can make you to know that we have come to restore Biafra, and there's no one that can stop us. No one that can stop us. They never born you. No spirit, no human can stop this quest of freedom. The earlier you understand this, the better for you. But what you don't know is that when a visitor come your house, before you serve him food or drink, won't you drink that drink? Yes. Before you give person money, that money is either in your account or in your pocket. You must own that money first. You must own the money first now before you can give person. If you know what I'm trying to say, it's simple. You who come to kill in the land of Biafra, you are already a dead person. Let me repeat myself. You that come to kill in the land of Biafra, you are already a dead person. You will test that death first. It's a must that you test the death. You must test that death first. So nothing will save you. Okay. You say we do not deserve to live, right? It's you that deserve to live. You say we don't deserve to live. That you are the one that deserves to live. Now let me ask you. Now you gave us life. Now you gave us life. Tell me, what right do you have to take our life from us? Who gave you that right? Who gave you the permission to come into the land of our ancestors and twist our life out of us? Who gave you the right? And then the same person that, if you say somebody gave you that right, the same person that gave you that right to come and take our life from us is the same person that will take your life first. You must die first before us. Now, you must show us the way now. We don't know the road to death. You must die first. You don't know that we have come to stay, that we go nowhere. Oh my good people. They have come with their Tucano jet fighter jet that spread the bomb and zoom off. The bomb does not damage anybody. It didn't kill anybody. Nobody died. And it does not even damage our... As I told them that the ground of Biafra have already prepared for them. Today is a K before them come. So let's continue. Because of that distraction, I may not spend enough time with you here. But I'm here to update you that nothing happened. So share this message for them and tell them that nothing happened. Okay? Tell them that nothing happened. And nothing will ever happen.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, shebi you don't hear am as you take talk am more, say wetin dey go on for inside that area. Abeg, may you share the video and make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. My people, as we don talk am before, say this thing no be by gun go stop am. Na by dialogue na fit stop am. Na by dialogue na fit end am. So anybody waiting say na gidi go fit stop am, that person dey wasting time. However, let's share the video and also follow this page for more updates as e dey hot.